SEC and CFTC classify HBAR as commodity. What's next for HBAR? We will discuss these questions and other news in today's video. Welcome to the Crypto Keeper channel. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you are interested in everything around HBAR. Let's talk about SEC and CFTC classify HBAR as commodity. The US SEC and CFTC issued a binding joint rule classifying 16 digital assets, including Hedera, as digital commodities. This ends years of regulatory ambiguity for these assets, establishing a clear federal framework. What this means? This is bullish for HBAR because it reduces legal risk for institutions and exchanges, potentially unlocking new custody services, trading products, and capital allocation. The clarity may accelerate enterprise adoption on Hedera's network. HBAR is classified as a commodity, which means that from the perspective of US regulators, it is closer to oil, gold, or Bitcoin than to stocks. When the CFTC classifies an asset as a commodity, it is not a security. It is treated as a digital asset or resource rather than an investment contract, and its price is determined by supply and demand rather than by a company's promises. In the case of HBAR, it is used within the network for payments, fees, and staking, so it falls under the utility trusted's commodity classification. Also, researcher says many people will regret not owning HBAR. Hedera's enterprise-focused advantage. Hedera approaches the market from a different angle. Its hashgraph consensus mechanism delivers high throughput, low latency, and strong energy efficiency. These features appeal directly to enterprises that require reliability and scalability. Hedera's governing council, which includes major global corporations, strengthens trust in its ecosystem. This structure ensures stability while maintaining decentralization in a controlled and enterprise-friendly manner. As a result, organizations increasingly adopt Hedera for use cases such as supply chain tracking, digital identity, and tokenized assets. And finally, let's talk about Hedera near $0.10. Is HBAR ready for a breakout? Hedera is showing renewed momentum as its price hovers around $0.10, signaling potential for a near-term breakout. Much of this movement is being driven by growing visibility and adoption of the Hedera ecosystem on major exchanges. Kraken's recent listings of Hedera native tokens, including lending protocol Bonzo and community tokens like Sauce, have brought attention to the network. These listings are more than just symbolic. They represent deeper integration and access for investors to the broader Hedera ecosystem. Technical analysis suggests near-term upside. On the technical side, HBAR is testing important support and resistance zones. Short-term support has held around $0.0942, while immediate resistance is near $0.1051. Breaking above this level could open the way for further gains towards $0.1174 and possibly $0.1293. Additional near-term resistance exists at around $0.104, marking Fibonacci retracement targets that traders are watching closely. A daily close above $0.1014 would signal stronger bullish momentum, while a break below 0.0979 could trigger a pullback toward the 20-day exponential moving average near 0.097. Analysts suggest that if current support levels hold and momentum continues, HBAR could test the $0.15 level in the medium term. Upcoming events like the HederaCon 2026, scheduled for early May, could also provide catalysts. Positive news from the conference could add momentum to HBAR's price, particularly if it coincides with increased trading activity for ecosystem tokens. Do you think HBAR will reach $1 this year? Disclaimer: this video does not pressure you to buy any cryptocurrency or invest in anything. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed it, please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, share your thoughts on HBAR in the comments, and don't forget to turn on notifications so you can get notified every time we post a new video.